Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. To start the tiller, turn the engine switch on. If the engine is cold, move the choke lever to the closed position and press the primer bulb several times to prime the carburetor. Place your left hand on the carrying handle and hold it firmly. Make sure your feet are away from the tiller tines. Then, with your right hand, pull the starter grip lightly until you feel resistance. Then pull briskly. If you close the choke to start the engine, open it before you begin to till any dirt. While holding the handlebar with a firm grip, squeeze the throttle lever toward the handlebar. Control the tiller tine speed by moving the throttle lever. To stop the engine, release the throttle lever and turn the engine switch off.